Naomi says, God of Abraham. The Manger title is Nemi zogt Gott von avrom. Old Naomi stands in the room. God of Abraham, she says. Her daughters-in-law are pious and blonde, and attentive to ease her ways. God of Abraham, mighty God, the Sabbath is passing on, and like Sabbath in a foreign town, my happiness is gone. Slowly she goes to the window pane. Outside she sees the mill. The vanes are turning hardly at all. The air is cool and still. Elimelech purchased the mill, and the mill ground flour for bread. Now her husband is in the other world, and both her sons are dead. Now she is a widow in the town, alone with her daughter-in-law. Orpah is good as raisin bread, and Ruth is like baklava. Naomi thinks back. A pair of shiksas was what she did not prefer. But so it was written, it seems, and now they both are dear to her. Both of them truly loved her sons. They worked with them on the farm, and they loved and honored their parents-in-law and walked with them arm in arm. Now sadly they are widows both, and she is a widow alone. For them there may yet be life to live, but she, a lonely stone, will schlep and trudge and schlep on foot back westwards to Canaan. And there the angel of death, perhaps, will be her second man. Naomi whispers, and the widows listen. God of Abraham, they hear. Outside is the air of hay and wind. Indoors there is the prayer.